What up, y'all? It's me, Sista Girl Tuesday, always with the brand. Getting ready to fly out to Hawaii. It's raining here, and I think it's gonna be raining there, but I'm ready. This morning's airport breakfast is gonna be.
I'd also like to welcome all our guests seated in the first class cabin. Please wait here.
So I'm showing this picture right here because we were delayed on the ground for 3 hours, but we got up in the air, all glory to God. But I must admit I was feeling some type of way, as you can tell.
Hawaii vlog, travel check-in. Let me give you some pro tips. Pro tip number 1, have faith that you'll get to your destination in whatever timing. Pro tip 2, pick an aircraft that doesn't have mechanical issues to put you 3 hours behind schedule. 3, be gracious to your gate agents because they work small miracles. When I get to my final destination, I will check in once more. Oh, glory to God. I am here. I finally made it. The weather is not trash right now. I'm so happy. Whew, thank you, Lord. A whole day of flying. Check my baby out, though. I've never had someone so excited to see me. Check my baby out, though. This cute little place, whatever.
So my next day, I went to this really cute little vegan spot. They had this amazing sandwich. They had some jackfruit nachos, and all the food was plant-based, and as you can see, it was delicious.
So I wanted an authentic eating experience here in Hawaii, and my lovely tour guide said this is where I have to go. So this is a family channel. So I'm gonna get to the menu. Okay, guys, I'm so excited. I don't know where to start. First Hawaiian I am. Girl. Won't he do it? It's too much. Said he will.
So I didn't just eat on this trip, but I did eat a lot. I also went and saw some of the amazing and beautiful views that Hawaii has to offer. The next day I started my adventure in Volcano National Park, took a trail down into this crater. I wanted to go to the lava tubes, but because of the recent volcano eruption, we couldn't do that. I'm trying to stay safe, but just showing you the lookout view from the crater.
So we hiked into this crater. Look at my hike-alistas. We made it like that's a crater. Can you see? Y'all not seeing the magnitude of the crater? It's okay, I'll show you. Look.
Post crater hike, we went to Punaluu Bake Shop, and look at the excitement on my face right here, y'all. It's so good. Here's what happened next.
They're called marasagas. And I'm gonna try one. I'm gonna try the traditional first. Okay. Keep it classy. Oh my gosh.
Why wasn't recording that?
Oh my gosh, like, okay.
What's it giving you?
It's kind of giving me Jamaican plantain fritter vibes.
Ooh.
But like, sugary.
I can see that.
Chocolate situation. Can you appreciate that? Okay.
How's your biz life?
I don't even like pudding, but if pudding tastes like this, what's this? Oh, it's got chocolate in it. Chocolate. Oh, my finger got in the chocolate. Help. Okay, all right. I don't know if that's my favorite. This is the Lilikoi, aka passion fruit.
I gotta get you doing that one.
I got
thought the traditional was my favorite, but no. I don't want to eat them all because I want them to like savor them, but next we had a chance to check out Rainbow Falls, and it was absolutely gorgeous. Vacation is pretty much over, but I'm gonna take in these last few moments of Hawaiian sunshine and just glow. Yeah. Hilo, Hawaii is a place that everyone should visit. I only spent 2 full days there, and I'm so glad I did. I will be coming back. So be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments below.